Good morning, children. Welcome to the new academic year 2020-21. Myself, Mrs. Parinita Sawant. I will be teaching you Environmental Studies Part 2. Children, you all have heard about Shivaji Maharaj, right? He has been a source of inspiration for the entire state of Maharashtra as well as our country. This year in history, we are going to study about this great Maratha ruler, his life and his work in detail. But before we learn about him, we will have to understand about Maharashtra before Shivaji Maharaj came to power. Let us start then. Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. People of all age groups celebrate his birth anniversary with great pomp and reverence. The meaning of the word pomp is with great importance. The meaning of the word reverence is deep respect for someone or something. Among all the people, children are very happy as the day is meant for them. They sing songs and povadas in his honor. The meaning of the word povada is a Marathi song or ballad sung by shahirs narrating historical events in an inspiring way. The meaning of the word honor is respect. We garland his photo and say Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. But children, do you know who was Shivaji Maharaj? What was the great work he did that we celebrate his birthday every year? The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the medieval period. The meaning of the word medieval period is related to Middle Ages from about 600 AD to 1500 AD. In those days, monarchy or the rule of kings prevailed everywhere. Means the rule of the kings was considered to be superior and was followed by all the common people. The meaning of the word monarchy is a country that is ruled by a king or a queen. The meaning of the word prevailed is to prove more powerful or superior. Many of the kings pursued their own pleasures and enjoyment instead of the welfare of their subjects. The meaning of the word pursued is to follow someone or something. The meaning of the word pleasure is feeling of happiness, satisfaction and enjoyment. The meaning of the word welfare is happiness. The meaning of the word subjects here is the people living in the kingdom. That means the kings of those days followed the path where they would get satisfaction and enjoyment and did not care much about the people in their kingdom. But there were some kings who looked after the welfare of the people in their kingdoms. The names of such kings are Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north and Emperor Krishna Dev Raya of Vijayanagar in the south. These kings are famous in history for their benevolent rule. The meaning of the word benevolent is showing goodwill and kindness. Means these kings showed love and kindness towards the people living in their kingdom. In the same way, Shivaji Maharaj also commands great respect even today. The meaning of the word commands here is to have. Shivaji Maharaj also worked hard day and night for the welfare and happiness of the people in his kingdom. So he is greatly respected not just in Maharashtra but across the whole country. In this session, we have studied about the celebration of the birth anniversary of Shivaji Maharaj and the rulers of the medieval period. In the next session, we will study about the establishment of Swaraj and how the people of Maharashtra suffered and were harassed by the rulers ruling during that period. Thank you. Be safe.